Hey everyone, welcome to this quintessential New England farmhouse set right on the outskirts of the Lewiston, Auburn area in Turner, Maine. This home features just over 2,400 square feet on a really nice lot near Bear Pond. The ski areas are just up the road and shopping is just down the road. Let's go take a look. Originally built in 1836 by Lucius Dresser, this house stands as a testament to early New England craftsmanship. For investors, renovation enthusiasts, or anyone dreaming of restoring a classic farmhouse, this is a rare opportunity. You'll find authentic post and beam craftsmanship that reflects the strength and artistry of early New England construction. These historic architectural details create a solid foundation for restoration while offering endless possibilities to make the home your own. With its flexible layout, the property also presents a unique live-work opportunity, perfect for creative spaces, home offices, or small business ventures. And the location brings the best of Maine recreation within easy reach. So bring your vision and breathe new life into this historic New England gem.